I'm going to do a tutorial on a step-by-step approach of how to start sewing. Please be attentive and watch from the beginning to the end of this video so that you can get something helpful, especially as beginners. My videos are beginner friendly. So you have got your fabric, you have got your matching thread, you have got your stay in case you need stay for the sewing project. You would have ironed it, sticking it to the fabric. You would have cut correct measurement, cut your sewing project with the correct measurement, which you have taken and written in a book so you don't forget. You would have got a cutting space, like a table, like on the floor, or by the side of your sewing machine. If it's a very small project, you would have done all the necessary things, threaded your machine properly, checked all of the parts that they are moving very well. You would have done the test run of your machine to ensure that the stitch length is good and that every part of the machine is free and moves very well. And so finally, you bring your cloth, put it under the presser foot, bring down your lever with the wheel, you turn your needle and you start to sew, and you back stitch and you continue, so you end at where you want to stop, you back stitch. At this point, it is obvious that this video has taught you some very simple steps to follow if you want to sew, and sew very confidently and peacefully, knowing that your sewing project will come out so fine. You take up your lever, you bring out what you have sewn, you cut the thread, and you look at your stitch. Is it straight enough? See what I've done here? It's straight. My stitch is straight. Can you see it? Can you see my stitch is straight? And then the stitch length is quite equal, smooth. This is a way to say to yourself, you have done good sewing. In this step-by-step approach to sewing that we have done today, summarily, you can see how straight the stitch came out. You can also see that you must top stitch when you start to sew and when you end the sewing, so that your stitches do not come out when you're washing the clothes over time, the lifetime of the project that has been made. And finally, do not be in a hurry to sew. Ensure you buy your real fabric, your choice, get matching thread, cut on a good surface where you'll be comfortable. When you're tired, do not cut, do not sew. Try and be as relaxed as you can to be able to sew a good project and be happy that you have done well for yourself. The sewing skill is a good skill. It's a skill that fits you. It's a skill that is always needed. Human beings must clothe themselves. Your nakedness must be covered. That is why, as a sewing person, you never lack anything. Thank you for watching. Please, If this video has been helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment for me, ask a question, I'll answer. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This channel, So with Teresa, is out to ensure beginners have fun learning step-by-step approaches to knowing how to sew confidently. Thank you for watching.